Hi everyone. So today we'll be doing some more practice questions on subtracting the integers. So we'll be doing it both by the number lines and by using the rules that we've learned how to interpret minus minus plus minus signs together. Okay. So let's start with the first question. I will draw a number line first. Okay, and let's see here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here I can say minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. So the first number we have is 6. Positive 6. 6 is here. And then because it's minus, we have to move towards the left. But because we have again another minus, it's a negative number, we'll have to move towards the right. So we'll do 1, 2, and 3. So it gives us 9. Okay. And if we follow the rules, we have 6 and minus minus becomes, what do we do? Plus. So 6 plus 3 will become 9. So we can solve by number lines or directly by following the rule. Okay. Now let's look at the next question. Let me draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Okay. So we are starting with first number is minus 3. So we start here and then we have minus 3 again. So whenever it is minus, we have to move towards the left. So 1, 2, and 3. What does it gives us? Minus 6. Okay. And if we solve by following the rules, so minus minus, whenever there are two minus, what do? We add the numbers. So 3 plus 3 becomes 6. And what sign do we add? Whichever is the greater. So both are equal and both are with negative sign. So we put minus 6. Okay. Now let's look at this example. Draw number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. In this case, let's start the opposite way. Okay. Let's try to solve with the rule first. So we have minus 4 and then minus minus becomes plus and then we have plus 4. So, and whenever there is minus and plus, what do we have to do? Minus. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And with 0, we don't have to put any sign. Okay, because it's neutral, not positive, not negative. Okay, so we get 0. Now let's try to see, do we get the same answer with the number line? So we have to start with minus 4. And then when we have minus, we have to move towards the left. But because there is another minus, we have to move towards the right. So how many times we have to move towards the right? 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, here we get 0 as the answer. Okay. Now let's look at the last question. So here with the rule, what does it say? 0 minus minus becomes plus. So 0 plus 5 will give us 5. Okay. And with the number line, that's minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here we are starting with 0. Minus means we have to move towards the left, but because there's another minus, we have to move towards the right. So how many times? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It gives us 5 as the answer on the number line also. So either you follow the rule or you follow the number line, you're going to get the same answer. Just remember, minus means subtracting means moving towards the left, because subtracting is we are reducing something, But whenever we reduce a negative number, the negative get cancelled and we start moving towards the right, and it gives us a positive value. Okay, so I hope everything's clear, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.